Luck.
Mark, did you ring someone and ask them to call you back? Yeah.
I'll transfer you through. One moment.
Yeah.
Hi, Luck speaking.
Yeah, we had a missed call here.
Yeah. I've been trying to call you for quite some time. Can you please hear me? Okay, all right. Now, what happened that your company installed the solar for us?
Yeah.
Okay. There is nothing wrong with the solar, nothing wrong, but the inverter blown up. I got a replacement already from Solax Power. I think this is the problem. The electrician made the mistake. I need to contact them.
Right.
Yeah, to install the new inverter for us, because the Solax company they said, well, it's not their fault, and it's not your fault, but it's your electrician, the subcontractor. I need to contact them.
I'm not sure who that was.
But I don't have I have the invoice number. Maybe you can you hang on a second? I just close the door, okay? I have the invoice number and the date, and then that maybe you can you be able to track them down.
Yeah, no, I think you got to pay $200 to get it replaced.
Sorry?
You got to pay $200 for the labour.
$200?
Yeah.
Yeah, but they didn't do the proper job.
No, they did it properly. The inverter just broke. The inverter failed.
No. What happened? The electrician connect incorrectly.
Or it connected incorrectly.
Yes.
Oh yeah, that's because you probably bought from Eurosolar.
Yes.
Yeah, why did you do that? They're cheap.
Well, I didn't know. This was done almost 2 years ago.
Come on, mate. You would have got a few quotes. You would have seen that they were the cheapest in there.
No, I just didn't. What? And you work with Eurosolar?
No, this isn't Eurosolar.
Oh, I just found the number there. That's why I ring. Okay, all right. Sorry, and thank you for your time, mate.
Yeah, Eurosolar went out of business, mate.
Yeah. I know now. I rang so many times, mate.
Yeah, you need to contact us, an electrician to come and install it for you.
Yeah.
Around $200 or something. Anywhere from $150 to $200, an electrician will come and sort it out for you. Sorry to hear that, but no, you can keep chasing Eurosolar all you want, mate, but I believe they're out of business.
Yep. Okay. All right. I realize now. I've been ringing them for a few weeks. Yeah. Thank you for your call, mate. Thank you.
No worries, buddy.
I will not disturb you again. Thanks, mate.
No worries, mate. Bye.